In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify and fix a variable type error in Microsoft Copilot Studio. If your bot shows a red error icon and refuses to run the way you expect, there's a good chance a variable is using the wrong data type. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix once you know where to look. First, open your topic in Copilot Studio and find the exact node showing the red error icon. This icon is your starting point because it tells you where the mismatch is happening. Take a moment to click into that node and review what it's doing. In many cases, the issue comes from a variable being passed into a field that expects a different kind of value. Next, click on the variable inside that node so you can check its current data type. You may see that it's stored as text, number, boolean, or record. This matters because Copilot Studio needs the variable type to match what the node is expecting. For example, a text value won't work properly in a place that expects a number, and a boolean value like true or false won't behave correctly if the field expects plain text. Once you know the variable's current type, look at the input field or the PowerFX formula in that same node. Your goal here is to confirm what type of data the field actually expects to receive. This is an important step because the error is really about a mismatch between what you have and what the node needs. After that, convert the variable to the correct type. You can do this with a PowerFX function such as text or value, depending on the conversion you need. Another option is to create a new variable that already uses the matching data type. This can be helpful if you want to keep the original variable unchanged and avoid confusion later in your flow. As a general tip, try to name variables clearly so it's easier to spot type-related issues when building larger topics. Finally, save your topic and run a test conversation in the test pane. This lets you confirm that the red error is gone and that the bot now behaves as expected. If the issue still appears, go back to the same node and double check both the variable type and the formula or input field requirements. That's it. Once the variable type matches the expected input, your bot should run much more smoothly in Copilot Studio. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your